YouTube, this is Mariskin. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I created a 5-minute makeup look, or shall I say a 5-minute makeup challenge.
Talagang super challenging siya. Nakaka-stress. Alam mo yung... Actually, nag-cheat po ako. I prepared on my table yung mga gagamitin kong products. However, it's not that easy. Especially ako kasi nagpaplanin ka talaga which ever makeup you're going to use. And
Okay, let's start. Wait lang. Okay, let's start. Okay, foundation first. Like. Oh my God, ang hirap. Try ko mag-contour within 5 minutes. Oh my God. Ouch. Ay, naku, hindi pala. Okay, set it with powder. Kilay. This is so scared talaga. Nakaka-stress. Wait lang. Ito lang lumalabas ng kulay. It's 2:20, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Kaya to best. Wait lang. Wait, gusto ko mag-eyeshadow. One minute and 54 seconds. Ako. Kalungkot. Sana na-blend kong mabuti, no? Wait lang. Lipstick. Wala. Nilito ako. Shoot. Walang 1 minute and 23 seconds. What's next? Hindi ko na alam. Oh, wait lang. $59, $58, $58. Wait lang. 49 seconds. Oh, no. Two seconds. Ah, ano ba? Mag-blend na lang ako. Mag-blend na lang ako ng eyeshadow. Huwag naman sabihin nyo. It's the Ryan effect. Okay, I'm done. And it's time's up. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Okay, one. Hello, so this is what I came up with. So 5-minute makeup challenge. Talagang napaka-challenging niyang gawin. Kasi I think yung 5 minutes hindi talaga siya enough for you to make up, especially if glam makeup. Talagang you have to prepare like an hour or 30 minutes before the event para magmukhang presentable naman yung pagmumukha mo. And yeah, it was really very challenging for me kasi ako, I usually prepare 1 hour talaga before the event. Pero siguro kung gandang pulbo at chiktit lang, well, probably you can pull up a look within 5 minutes, pero talagang challenging. Ang challenging lang ba yun? So anyways, thanks for watching, and ciao! Thanks for watching. Ciao!